Hey guys, this is a mod controller video. This is my new mod controller that I just got today. Here it is. Has two little turbo things. I got it at the source, and it came with this like little code pack thing that you take to, like, you go on the website and stuff, download the thing, and then you can plug a USB stick into the back in the little battery pack thing and download it, and then there's a little program that you can program the whole entire thing so you can have low recoil sniper mode. That just allows you to, like, just zooms in a bit faster, and you can move around a bit. So yeah, altogether it's pretty good. Here's an FAL with it. My camera's not going to stand. Just a sec, guys. Let me zoom in for you. Now here it is. Now that is not very fast, I know, which is kind of retarded. I need to, like, I could have got a real one off eBay, but who cares? It's good enough. You can get low recoil and stuff. Here it is here. Let me turn it on. So it is what you just press the little button here. That gives me the speed. So, and then so when you're firing, the light goes off and on, and then I can just do, and then you press it once, and now the mod's off. So back to just my finger, and then we press the 1. Now the other side comes on. Now this is a low recoil. And as you can see, it does work. And I'll get you a Tire 21, since that does have a lot of. And you go to here. Now this is with low recoil. Zoom in for you guys and get the camera working here. There you go. It's not half bad. Now I would like to have a faster mod, but at least we have a mod. Who cares? We can have. I'll show you everything you can get. The little program. Now you can not plug. And it comes with a special cable. You can't plug it into any ordinary one. But take out the battery pack here. And there's like a little USB thing right there. Just a sec. Okay, so now that it's plugged into my computer here, now to like program it, what you have to do is you go to this website right here, Code Junkies. Now it will come with your controller. It will come with a little this. It shows you the website Code Junkies, and it shows codes and everything. Now you go on to that. So let me Now this is the controller I got right here. Just a sec. Let me unscrew it off with this. There. That's what I got. It shows information there. Price. And then this is where it is right there. Click to download. It'll be on the page. All you have to do is type in codejunkies.com and it'll bring you this page. Scroll down, you can click on the video there. Oh, maybe you can't see. There it is. And then just scroll down and you'll see that. Now this is the program right here. Now when you do get your controller, you will have to press update controller right there. Now analog sensitivity 100%. Button number 1. This is all the stuff you can get. No function, turbo on off, Black Ops Zombie Turbo, Sniper Mod, low recoil. Let me zoom in. Low recoil, sound player, and preset button macros. And then there's Call of Duty remap for Halo Reach remap for COD, Halo remap for Black Ops, and button remapping. There's all kinds of stuff here. Now to get these to work, all you do is you click on it and then you press assign to settings. It's right there on the page, right there. Then you can go to button 2. Button 2 has the same thing. You just compress different things. And that's the video, guys. Bye.